Okay, this is for everybody that been wanting a garden update. So we got cucumbers and grapevine. We got another grapevine right here. We got a strawberry patch, raspberry, another strawberry, some more grapes. Those are cucamelons. So a cucamelon is just a small, real small cucumber. Apple trees. I don't think I'm gonna get any apples this year, so. Golden raspberry. So got some raspberries forming on there. Basil. Got some mint. And this is dill. Looks like it's starting to probably go into flower. Got some more cucumbers here. So those are looking good. Yeah. I got some watermelons, some more cucamelons. Got some cantaloupe with some more watermelons. That's 2 okra plants. Those are some more cantaloupes. No, these are cucumbers with an okra. Then those are sunflowers. Tomatoes are looking good, as you can see. Like to give them a little tickle to ensure pollination. But yeah, got some more sunflowers. My corn is looking amazing. Then we go back down. Got some more okra plants. More okra, jalapeno pepper, okra. These are banana peppers. That is jalapeno. This one is either a banana or jalapeno. Same. All my peppers. Another pepper. Jalapenos. And this is my guava plant. Hopefully I can get some guavas this year. This one is a kiwi plant that's being overwatered due to all the rain. A lettuce that's getting ready to go into flower. And potatoes are in all of these buckets, which they probably got a few more weeks. Everything is dying back on them now. So they got a few more weeks before they are ready to dig up. Another lettuce down in there with some weeds. And get those on out of there. peach right there. See, I got a little peach there. Another tomato. Got some figs. Got some herbs there. This is my thyme, English thyme. And some more strawberries. As you can see, they are looking beautiful. Another dill. This is a cilantro right here. It's a seed that I planted last year and it's doing its thing. That is a collard green, a Georgia collard right there. I'm using that so the pests can eat that instead of my strawberries. Got some more strawberries over there. Got another peach and then another apple. If y'all want to see something else, let me know.